Welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about one of the powerful visualization technique of Excel, which is conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, formatting is generally done on the basis of conditions. Excel's conditional formatting allows you to apply different formatting options such as background color, borders, font formatting, or number formatting to data that meets certain conditions. Here you can see in this representation we have used multiple condition formatting options. Referring to total yearly sales, we have used bar to represent the magnitude of sales. And then moving forward in the first quarter we have used flags to represent the values. So in here the value equal to 5000 or more than 5000 is represented as green and the value below 5000 is red. So in the second quarter they have used a symbol of mobile network. So you see your mobile network as complete when you are able to get complete signals. But in here mobile network of full green towers represent the highest values. So higher the value, more the number of mobile towers will be colored. And in the third quarter sales they have simply used a heat map. And in the fourth quarter sales they have made use of arrow signs to represent the growth and degrowth over last quarter. Let's move to Excel and look at the available options in conditional formatting. In Excel, conditional formatting is available in the Home tab. We have an option known as conditional formatting. Here we have multiple predefined rules like highlight cells based on greater than, less than, between, equals to, and based on text and date. Further moving down, we also have formatting on the basis of top and bottom rules and data bars. So from here you can get the data bars of the values. We have color scales. We can also put up icons like up, down. So as we had already discussed this part in the slide, and from here you can get the mobile network signal. Yeah, this can also be used to represent the values. Apart from that, we also have an option to create a rule. So that rule generally can be customized as per our need. Let's do some exercise to perform conditional formatting so that we can understand it better. Now we'll just navigate to sheet basic. So here is the sheet. Now here the first question is, in this data table we have employee code with their respective January and February incentive. So the first question here is highlight Jan incentives which are greater than 500. Let's do it. So in the step 1 we'll first select the range from B2 to B16, and now we'll proceed to the conditional formatting option in the home ribbon and click on highlight cell rules. We will click on greater than because the question has asked for the value which is more than 500. So here we'll put 500. Here we have preset formatting that we can also change by selecting custom format and select required formatting option. As of now, select one of the preset format. So we go with dark red text and click OK. And now you can see that we have highlighted all the values in January incentive whose value is more than 500. Moving on to the next exercise, which says highlight Feb incentive if it is more than January. To begin with, firstly we'll clear the previous formatting, for which we'll select the cells and go to conditional formatting and click on clear rules from selected cells. So we have now removed the previous formatting. Select the range C2 to C16. Now go on to conditional formatting option and click on highlight cell rules and click greater than. So here we'll write equals to B2. Now this formula will help conditional formatting in comparing each value of the range C2 to C16 with its corresponding value in the range B2 to B16. Hence by this we'll be able to compare Feb incentive with January incentive. Now we have put the formula. Similarly, we can just choose the color that we want to put in. So we'll go with the same color and simply press OK. Now by this you can see that we have highlighted the Feb incentives whose value is more than January incentive. Moving forward, the next exercise is we need to highlight Jan and Feb incentive if it is an even number. This is quite interesting now. So moving forward, let's first clear the existing conditional formatting. So we'll select the range, go to conditional formatting and click on clear rules and click OK. So this step can't be done with predefined rules. So here we have to define a new rule, which is custom rule. So first we need to select the range, the complete range of January and February incentive, which is B2 to C16, and then we'll go to conditional formatting and we'll click on new rule. And we'll move to use a formula to determine a cell format. Yes. Here we have to write a formula to check whether the number is even or not. So we'll put a formula equals to mod bracket B2 to equals to 0. Here the mod function returns the remainder. Here if the remainder is 0, that means number is divisible by 2. That is, it is an even number. If not, it is an odd number. Now select the format and click OK. So from here I'll select the format, select the color by which I want the formatted cells to get filled, press OK, and I'll again press OK. So by these steps I have been able to highlight the January and February incentives if they are an even number. So hope you find this part interesting. In the next video, we'll look at more conditional formatting options. Thank you.